Hi, I'm Girija. Let's go with again the writing skills. Welcome to VJ Academy. This writing skills is important for grade 10 and also to improve your vocabulary and analysis of the picture reading. It comes in many questions in the CBSE in the writing skills. Let's see how we are going to see and write and analyze the analytical paragraph in the writing skills. What are the features of the analytical paragraph? What is an analytical paragraph? It is nothing but to analyze a given paragraph and write it in short and crisp manner to understand the given chart, graph, data, outline, clues, tables. So on the basis of all these things, you're going to write the analytical paragraph. How to write the analytical paragraph? It should describe the facts in the best possible manner and cover information provided. What is the word limit? The word limit is 100 to 120 words. You must keep in your knowledge that time limit should not exceed more than 10 minutes. The language that you are using should be crisp, simple, and accurate. Complete details of the chart given must be used. All the figures and quantities should be mentioned. Please remember, tense should be the same throughout. You can use the present tense or you can always go with the passive form of the verb. No personal observation or response should be provided. Total marks will be 5 and no heading is required for this analytical paragraph. This writing skills comes under the section B. Now let's see how to write and what is the format of analytical paragraph writing. First will be the introduction. This you have to write just in one paragraph where it is divided into 3 parts: introduction, body, and conclusion. Let's see about the introduction. Just explain 1 or 2 lines the subject of the given paragraph in the introduction. It's like an opening para that introduces the reader to the context of the chart given. Don't go in detail. Just mention what is clearly evident from the chart or the graph. Write in 1 or 2 lines only. Let's speak about the body. To explain in detail about the paragraph, use relevant figures, explain the trends, make comparisons and contrast. It should contain all the important information in detail, like organizing information, comparing information, mentioning the quantities, and connecting sentences. This highlights the body. When it comes to the conclusion, conclude the paragraph giving the overall view or summary of the graph. The key is to stick to the facts and organize it well. State correct facts and summarize it properly. Let's see some of the useful tips in the analytical paragraph. When you look into the introduction, start with the chart given above describes. Your starting lines should be in this manner, or it can be this table suggests. First, you have to see whether it is a pie chart, whether it is a table, whether it is a graph, or just the data or the chart. So basing on that, you can just pick up the sentences. The table suggests, a line graph shows, the data given provides information about, the pie chart illustrates. Such kind of words can be used in the beginning. When it comes to the body, for describing trends, use examples of phrases like a pattern of growth or rapidly doubled, the striking increase, declined slightly, drop down. Such kind of words can be used for describing trends. If it is like the quantities, you can use like 48% off, 1/3 off, on an average. Like that, phrases can be used. When it comes to the conclusion, use the words overall or subsequently or in a nutshell to describe, or the striking changes, or in short. So such kind of words should be used in the conclusion. Now let's see an example. Here is a small question given that you asked people what you thought about the valuable things in nature. The given pie chart shows the analytical paragraph that answers that you have received. Write an analytical paragraph for a research project in 100 to 120 words. So here you can use the pie chart illustrates, or usually representation of the people's perceptions of what constitutes and the modifies of the life. This chart is a kaleidoscope of values sliced into 5 distinct, representing a different element deemed as most precious by the respondents. You can see here knowledge is 48%, love is 20%, power is 6%, money is 18%, and fame is 8%. Basing on the pie chart given, you have started the pie chart, the starting lines which you have used it there. Now let's come to the body. Just within the 2 lines, you have described about what the pie chart is about. Now, when it comes to the body, as I said, you are comparing the things. Notably, knowledge emerges as predominant value because in the pie chart, it describes 48% is the knowledge, right? So you are highlighting the knowledge part of it and also giving the comparison of the percentage that 48% majority of the chart is the predominant value of the knowledge. This illustrates a significant inclination towards intellectual assets over materialistic or social standings. Means you are highlighting and expressing the view that what this person, 48% of the knowledge is representing. What is the significance of it? So when you see this, the pie chart, you can understand how much it is varying. Knowledge is given majority, love is given the next importance, and money is given the next importance, fame is given the next importance, last but not the least comes the power, that is 6%. So here when you are comparing, you are just mentioning them that with nearly half the participants affirming that knowledge surpasses all other forms of value. That's the pie chart illustration. When you have compared with the other things. Now you're giving the contrast on the other hand. In stark contrast, power appears to be the least favored, occupying the smallest section. So highest and the smallest are compared and given as a contrast, suggesting a minimal number of individuals regard it as the pinnacle of value. Fame trends closely behind power. So next least one is the fame. So that you are highlighting and you are speaking about, indicating slightly higher but still limited endorsement as a valuable asset. So in the asset part, knowledge is the highest, last is the power, next last is the fame, but then you are giving the priority here, love and money. So when you are comparing there, you are telling us that love and money demonstrate a near equal distribution of 20 and 18% respectively. This balance suggests a common perception that emotional fulfillment and financial security are nearly equal significance. That is your observation that you are giving. Yet fall behind the intellectual powers, means they are coming only after the knowledge. That is the comparison that you are giving. So comparison is done, contrast is done, for what you are giving the importance is done, and what is the least importance is done. Now let's come to the conclusion after the body. So in essence, that is in short, the chart paints a picture of the society that places the highest worth on enlightenment and understanding. That is the opinion given, observation. With knowledge at the vanguard, it indicates a moderate valuation of emotional and monetary fulfillment. Emotional belongs to love, monetary belongs to money. So, first, second, third places you have given it. While power and fame are perceived as lesser in the hierarchy of values. So, you are explaining the total whatever the chart is representing them. This data provides an insightful snapshot into collective mindset, valuing wisdom as a paramount treasure. The last lines can be of your choice, where beautifully you can end with a good vocabulary words. So this, you are giving knowledge, you are giving value to the wisdom or the knowledge, and you are giving less importance to the treasure. That is a treasure. Name, fame, power, money, all this comes only after the wisdom. Then comes the value. That's how you have to analyze the complete chart or the data or the table given, and then write on it clearly how you are going to express your thoughts and views. So this is how you are going to write the analytical paragraph. Hope you have understood it and liked it. If you have liked my video, please kindly like, subscribe, and share with your friends. Please do not forget to press on the bell for your subscription. Kindly share it with others. Thank you. You can write your comments on the comment box so that I can make some more videos related to it and clarify all your doubts. Thank you.